Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a little bit of cleaning and decorating, but I will be doing something a little bit different. Today I will be redecorating Mateo's bedroom. I will be giving it a little bit of a facelift and rearranging some furniture. At the end of the video I will also be testing a few very popular cleaners, and you are not going to want to miss what the results were and how well they killed bacteria and how well they didn't, and you will be surprised. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. It's going to be at the very end of this video.
Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Okay, so before I start cleaning in here and rearranging stuff, I want to quickly go through everything that I just purchased. And I purchased this really cute industrial looking lamp at HomeGoods, and this was $34.99, and I thought it would look really cute in here. Also at HomeGoods, I picked up this sign. It says, if the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. And I thought this would look really cute in here. And the sign was $14.99. I also picked up another oil diffuser because the one that he has doesn't work very well. So I thought I would pick up another one. And they always have really good prices on their diffusers. This one was $16.99. I also picked up this eucalyptus plant. I thought it would just add a little bit of life in here, and this was $9.99. I also got this at HomeGoods. I also picked up this mirror, and the mirror was $19.99, and I thought with the gray and the tin look, I just thought it would look really cute in here. And then I did end up picking up a little basket at the dollar spot at Target, and it was $3. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to put this, but I'm sure he can use it to put like his cell phone in, or some of his stuff that he just kind of leaves laying around on his dresser. So that's that, and now I'm going to start cleaning. So in order to kind of really give this bedroom a new facelift, I had to move the bed. And honestly, with the bed being pushed up against this wall right here with the window, I wasn't really liking it. And when I come in here occasionally and clean this room and I have to make the bed, it is not fun. So that is the first thing that I did, was just move the bed, and I turned it the other way and then put it right up against the window. And then I took the bookshelf that he had on the side of his bed and I moved it directly under the TV. And if you guys have seen any of my other videos with his bedroom in here, you will have known that the dresser was right underneath the TV. So I just took the dresser and put it right up against the wall.
Say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to.
So right here, I'm just using a magic eraser, and I am just removing some of the scuff marks that are here on his wall. I don't know what was up here that caused this, but there's quite a few scuff marks, and all I am doing is just taking a magic eraser and I'm just rubbing them off. You don't want to rub too hard, because if you do, it will end up taking some of the paint off as well. But that is what I am doing there.
Get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Now I'm going to get some essential oils going in this diffuser here, and the scent that I will be using is called Citrus Blast. The brand of this oil is called Woolsey's and is definitely one of my favorite brands right now. I love them. I have gotten quite a few different scent blends and I have not been disappointed with any of them so far. I purchased all of mine from either HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls.
But you're also leaving me behind. Like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay?
So now I'm going to take everything off of his bed. I just purchased some new sheets from Target and I hear that they are finished drying. So I'm going to take off the sheets that he had on here. I'm going to throw those in the washer and then I'm going to put the new ones on here. And I love, love, love these new sheets. I love the way they fit. And I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in case you guys are interested. They were pretty affordable as well. I can't remember off the top of my head how much these were. This is for a queen size bed, but I will go ahead and find the link online and I will leave that in my description box. And then right here, I'm just taking the pillows that used to be on my bed and I'm going to place them on his bed. He doesn't have a headboard and I'm definitely looking for one right now because I don't like the way his pillows are laying against the window here. But I did purchase some Euroshams for these pillows. They just haven't came in yet, so I'm going to make the bed and just kind of show you what it looks like before I get those in.
Won't you stay? Time races on, but I guess that we're not a special bond. We came closer than we forgot. Yeah, we forgot. Won't you stay? 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 Always on the high, you were always on my mind, dear Wichita. The tales we were told would never grow old here in Wichita. We were down by the river all through the night, watching the stars and the city lights. Right from the start, said we never grow apart, dear Wichita. You wanted me to know, never ever let you go, dear Wichita. Surrounded by colors, it's such a sight, watching all the lovers fall into the night. All the moods in a heartbeat, we're going back where it all began. The same ground under our feet, starts to shake with you.
Okay, so I am almost finished with this bedroom. I just have to add a bed skirt and then a duvet cover and I am not going to do that right this second because I have to run and go pick my kids up from school, but you will see that in the next clip, and then I will be finished with this bedroom.
Winter time to spring, I remember everything from Wichita. This town is on its knees, you know God is overseas, I'm telling ya. Oh, it's more to this than what you see. You know this town's got the best of me.
And here it is all finished, and when Mateo came home and saw his room, he loved it. He was thrilled, and he just loved everything that I did. He loved the color choices of the duvet cover, and he really loved this quote that I placed on the wall for him as well. And yeah, he just loved everything, and he was very happy. Also, I would like to let you know that I did purchase the duvet cover from Amazon, and if you are interested in that, I will go ahead and leave a link down in my description box. If there's anything that you see that I may not have talked about, just go ahead and ask me down in the comments. I will be more than happy to answer for you. I really want to say thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have a nice day, but don't leave just yet because I am going to show you the results of the cleaning products and the testing that I did here in just a second. Okay, so before I end this video, I just want to show you this really quick experiment that I did using all these cleaning products and testing them to see how well they did with killing bacteria and germs. I know Jessie Christine just recently did this, and she did like a dedicated video. I am not going to do that, and I honestly didn't even plan on sharing this. I wanted to do this for myself because I wanted to know which products that I was using personally that was really doing its job. So I'm just going to quickly go through all of them. I did this experiment, I want to say 4 or 5 days ago, and I used swabs from my sink drain. The first one that I'm going to show you is this product called Microban. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. But it claims to kill 99.9% of bacteria for up to 24 hours. So this one is probably one of the harsher ones that I used. I didn't use bleach. I know bleach kills everything, so I didn't even bother using that one. But this one did really, really well. Okay, so I'm just going to hold them over this tray, and hopefully you can really see everything. Okay, so as you can see, so you can really just see where the swab was taken right here. There's no bacteria at all that grew, and I was very happy with those results. Okay, for the next one, I used the Method Antibac, and this one claims to kill 99.9% of household germs, and this claims to kill just as much as the Microban. Does not claim to keep working after 24 hours. But this one is one of the more all-natural ones, I should say. I mean, I'm sure it's not 100% natural, but it's definitely one of the safer ones to use. And these were the results. Beautiful. No, nothing. There's absolutely nothing that grew in this one at all whatsoever. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to show you is called Odoban. I used this one in my bathroom downstairs quite a bit, and this one claims to kill 99.99% of germs. I'm going to show you what the results are for this one. And as you can see, I don't know if the camera's picking it up that well, but there's just one little tiny spot down at the bottom. I don't know if that was a spot that was missed or what the case was, but this one did really well also. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna show you how well Thieves did. It's like they talk about how cleaning with this will keep you from getting sick because it kills everything and it's just so great. And this bottle was not cheap. I want to say it was close to 30 bucks for this bottle. Granted, you can dilute it. It says on the back that you can dilute it and this will last a really long time. However, when I did my test, this is what happened. And it stinks. It smells so gross. I want to puke. But save your money on this one, please. Just save your money. Okay, for this one, I wanted to use something that claimed to be all natural or plant-based. I was so disappointed in this one because I like to use things that are a little more on the natural side, but it did claim to kill 99.9% of bacteria, and it is free from harsh chemical residue. And I just started using this one. I think I used it in my last cleaning video, but this one did the worst. Absolute worst. I don't even have to get a close-up to show you how bad this was, but yeah, this one, don't buy it. Not good. Okay, so for this one, I used the Pine Sol, and this one claims to kill 99.9% of germs as well. And for this experiment, I did not dilute this. I just poured it straight on the dish. And as you can see, there's nothing grew at all whatsoever. I don't know if it will work just as well if you decide to dilute it. I'm not sure, but it actually still smells really fresh too. So that's really good to know that the Pine Sol really does its job. And then this one over here, I just used some colloidal silver that I had. I don't know if any of you guys really know what colloidal silver is. I don't have the bottle, but this claims to kill germs, bacteria, viruses, all that stuff. Did not do well either. So just in case, I don't know, because I know there's different types and strengths of colloidal silver, so I don't know. I don't really want to make any strong claims of this experiment. But as for the others, that was the results, and I think I'm going to start cleaning more with the method. If I want to go with something more on the natural side, I'm definitely going to stick with the method. But yeah, those are the results of all of the cleaning products.